So you went and discharged that M18 battery, or really any drill battery lower than what it was supposed to go, and now the charger won't recognize it. Let me show you how to fix it. Here's your discharge battery. You're just gonna need one of these, and of course you have a battery that works already. One of these, you're gonna find the negative terminal on that battery, put one spade connector in there, positive terminal, find the negative terminal, put one spade connector there, find the positive, put the other spade connector there. This little device comes with this pre-made pigtail that all you have to do is quick connect whatever wire in it that you might need. Plug this in, hit the power button, and this is good for 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, or 24 volts. We're gonna go down and make sure that we're in that 18 volt range, and all I have to do is hit that out button. This is gonna go green, and what it's doing is it's now putting a surface charge back into this battery. That way the charger's gonna be able to recognize it, and we'll be able to recharge it. The digital screen lets you know where you're at, how many volts it's putting out, how many watts it's putting out, and it really doesn't take but about 30 seconds, and most of the time these are woke back up. I'm gonna disconnect the cables. Let's see if it worked. I have one red light, and I did not have that before. All right, let's put it on the charger and see if it recognizes it. We have a red light. Before, it didn't even know that it had a battery on it. This little device is perfect for waking up any drill battery. It doesn't matter what color it is. You have variable voltage. Another thing it's handy for is it's got a MagSafe charger right on the top of it. You can use it to charge your cell phone. There's going to be a USB-C and a USB-A on the side of it as well. Great for troubleshooting electronics. If you guys want to pick one of them up, they're actually super affordable, and they make them for red batteries and yellow batteries for the base station. I'll leave the orange shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. You guys can find it there.